Running a construction fleet comes with its share of challenges: fleet management, maintenance uncertainties, fuel depletion, remote distance projects, theft, and service delays can mean serious losses for your business. But we have a solution. Introducing Hytrack by Hyundai, a smart solution developed to enhance the efficiency of your machine. It's not just monitoring, it's an all-in-one solution. It seamlessly integrates to ensure fleet management for your construction machines. Let's see how it works. The setup process is effortless, ensuring a smooth and user-friendly experience. With live tracking, fuel visibility, advanced maintenance alerts for better planning, Hytrack keeps you informed and in control, ensuring top-notch performance and safety. Real-time diagnostics, route optimization, critical alerts, machine utilization, and many more, making decisions just a touch away within one click. Whether it is a customer tracking live data or a dealer planning service, Hytrack simplifies complexities, cuts costs, and keeps you ahead. Hyundai Hytrack features go beyond just monitoring. You can enhance your machinery use by easily registering your machine for renting it out. And when it's time to sell, Hytrack's buy, sell, rent feature makes it quick and easy. For dealers and fleet managers, it's a game changer.
Good morning. Today I wish to speak about the newly introduced Hytrack system on Hyundai excavators. Basically, this is an Internet of Things based IoT based service planner, and it has got from a business owner's point of view and also from a Hyundai dealership point of view, it has got a lot of advantages. Some of the advantages is that we get a live tracking about the machine and its running condition and about the hour meter readings. As an owner, the customer will always have an app in its mobile in which all the real-time data of the asset that is he's using is available to him.
मैं अभिषेक अग्रवाल, ऑनर ऑफ अग्रवाल इंटरप्राइजेस, और 2023 में जो नई मशीनें आई हैं इसमें हाईटेक करके इन्होंने कुछ एक सिस्टम डेवलप किया है जिसके द्वारा हमें जीपीएस लोकेशंस, हमारी मशीन कहाँ पे है, किस लोकेशन पे चल रही है, ये जानकारी मिलती है। उसके अलावा हम जब डेली की रिपोर्ट देखना चाहते हैं, जैसे टेम्परेचर, डीजल कितना कंज्यूम हुआ है, कितने आवर चली है, ये सारी चीज़ें हमारे को एक सिंगल डैशबोर्ड पे सिंगल क्लिक पे अवेलेबल हो जाती है।
Hytrack by Hyundai isn't just a tool. It's your partner for control, efficiency, and profitable operation. Transform your fleet management effortlessly with Hytrack by Hyundai. The future starts here.